Angelica plays with cars.
I'm here with a Ford Escort XR3i 1983 and we're going to tell you all about it. What I really love is that the wheels are called egg poachers and I think that's truly divine. The shape of them, you don't really see anything like that today. Are the windscreen wipers hard to replace? No, quite easy.
No.
Is that the original? That's really nice. Oh, I love the shape of this as well. Is there anything special about the number plate? These number plates are sitting on the original plate brackets, which is incredibly rare to see nowadays. It's got the original garage that it was bought from on it. The owner told me that driving this gets way more attention than a brand new Ferrari. People who had these in their early 20s literally stop and wave at it in the street because the nostalgia is just that strong. It completely unlocks memories for anyone who grew up in that era. Back in the early 80s, this car was a massive deal. Codenamed Project Erika, the Mark III was Ford's very fast front-wheel drive Escort. The early models had a carburetor, but Ford needed something to beat the Volkswagen Golf GTI. So for the 1983 model year, they introduced this, the XR3i, adding a Bosch fuel injection system with a 5-speed gearbox to create the ultimate high-street cruiser. Specs-wise, it features Ford's famous 1.6-litre CVH petrol engine. It hits that perfect sports car middle ground. Because the car is incredibly light, weighing just over 900 kilograms, it gives you a nippy, responsive drive without being thirsty. The fuel economy is actually pretty decent, making it a classic sports car you could genuinely live with every day. But here is the absolute best part of owning it today. Because this car rolled off the production line in 1983, it has officially crossed the 40-year milestone. That means this piece of British motoring history is now classified as a historic vehicle, making it completely road tax-free. The retro feel of this entire car is amazing. There are no touchscreens or electronic driving assists, just pure 80s vibes. What's your favourite thing about this car?
Yeah, so we're members of the XR3i Owners Club and we love the nostalgia. We love the nostalgia of the old cars, and we can be driving along and somebody will suddenly stop and turn around and stare at us and they'll say, oh, I used to have one of those, and you get a lot of that nostalgia, and they wave and they clap and they put the thumbs up as well. So we do love all that side of it, really. Just takes you back to when you were younger and in your youth and, just driving along in 1980s cars.
Did you or your parents have a Mk3 Escort back in the day? And did you call these wheel egg poachers or cloverleafs? Let me know all your stories in the comment below and make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.